Hello friends, this is Satish Prajapati here, and today we will dealing with a linear equation in two variable. So let us understand the meaning of linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable. So let us understand the first meaning of linear equation in two variable. So linear means what? Any variable or any equation which degree is 1, let's say x power 1, this is linear, or let's say y power 1 or z power 1, any variable which degree is what? 1. Then when we will say to be it is not a linear, let's say this is x square, this is what we will say to be quadratic or parabolic. This is quadratic. Or if it is 3, then it is a cubic, and if it is 4, then quartic. So this is what linear means, what? X power 1, y power 1, z power 1. If it is, suppose second word is what? Equation. So equation means what? When any set of equation left hand side is equal to right hand side, if it is follows this pattern, then we said to be the given term is what? Equation. Now variable means what? Variables means unknowns. So in this particular equation, the linear means what? Order should be 1. Equation, this equation we must follow the left hand side equal to right hand side pattern, and then third one is what? Variable is unknown. How many unknowns we require here? 2. So if for example the whole set of meaning is what? Linear equation. The equation must be linear. So this is 2x plus, let's say for example 4y equal to 7. So here the degree of this particular equation is what? 1. Here also 1. So it follows the linearity. And how many unknowns here? X and y. So how many variables are here? 2 variables. And this whole set of meaning is what? This part is left hand side, and this part is right hand side. So left hand side it must be equal to right hand side. This is the linearity, or this degree is 1, and 2 variables are here. Now this is the set of linear equation in two variable. But we know that for solving one unknown we need one equation, but here we have two unknowns, so we need two equations to solve the question. So let us discuss the question on this particular topic. So let's see. So let's say question is 5x plus 3y equal to 9, and second equation, let's say 2x plus 3y equal to, let's say 12. So this is the equation. Let's say this equation is first and this equation is second. Now we have to we can solve by using three methods or four methods. First, substitution, simultaneous elimination method, graphical method, and Cramer's rule. But here we will discuss with the help of simultaneous equation only. So let's see we have to eliminate either x or either y. So here we can see that these two numbers are same, but with these two values are in a positive form. So what we will do, we can subtract equation, let's say subtract equation 1 or 2 from equation 1. So we can write 5x plus 3y equal to 9, and here 2x plus 3y equal to 12. So now if we subtract, then sign will change, plus will be minus and minus will plus. So what will answer will be this minus 3y and plus 3y will delete each other. So result will be 5x. 5 minus 2 is what? 3x. And here this is 3 minus 12 is what? Minus 3. So x equal to 3 and 3 goes out. So x equal to minus 1. Now put this x equal to minus 1 in any of the equation. We'll get the value of y. So let's say put x equal to minus 1 in equation, let's say first. So we'll get the value of y. So 5 x is what? Minus 1 plus 3y equals to 9. So let's say minus 5 plus 3y equals to 9. So I'll put this side. So this will be 3y equal to 9 plus minus 5 will go those this side, then it will plus 5. So 3y equal to 14. So y equal to 14 upon 3. So when we came to know our given solution is correct or wrong, let's check it out. So put the value of x is here and y will here. We'll get, if it is came, if we substitute the value on left hand side, if we get on the right hand side, then our solution will be correct. Otherwise it might be wrong. So let's check it here. So let's check for solution. So x equal to minus 1. So 5 minus 1 plus 3, and y is what? 14 upon 3. So that's 5, this is minus 5, this is what? 3 and 3 gets cancel out, 14, and 14 minus 5 is what? 9. So yes, this is equal to this one. Means if we had substituted the value in left hand side, we get the value of right hand side there. So our given solution is correct. So we can finally write down that x equal to minus 1 and y equal to 14 upon 3 is the solution of given linear equation. Okay, so hopefully we understand the concept of linear equation in two variable in a simple or given numerical. Okay, so thank you.